Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of 2 plus square root of x is equal to 2, or squaring both sides we can write here square root of 2 plus square root of x whole square is equal to 2 square, or we know an algebraic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Now apply this formula here. We can write square root of 2 square plus square root of x square plus 2 times square root of 2 times square root of x is equal to 2 square, that means 4. Or now this square cancel this square root, so here we will get 2 plus similarly here we will get x plus 2 times square root of 2x is equal to 4. Or now taking this 2 and this x to right side, we can write here 2 times square root of 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 minus x. Or 2 times square root of 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 minus x. Or again squaring both sides, we can write here 2 times square root of 2x whole square is equal to 2 minus x square. Or we know 2 square, that means 4 times, now this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get 2x is equal to, now again know an algebraic formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Now apply this formula here. We can write 2 square plus x square minus 2 times x, or 4 times 2 is 8, x is equal to 2 square, that means 4 plus x square minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times x is 4x. Or now taking this 8x to right side and changing side, we can write x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 8x is equal to 0. Or x square minus 4x minus 8x is 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is a nice quadratic equations, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 12 and c is equal to 4. Or x is equal to minus b is equal to minus 12, so we can write here minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 4 over 2 times a is 1. Or x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so here we will get 12 plus or minus square root of 12 is minus 12 square is 144 minus 4 times 1 times 4 is 16 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16 is 128 over 2, or x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 128 can be written as 64 times 2 over 2, or x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8 times square root of 2 over 2, or x is equal to, taking count 2, here we will get 6 plus or minus 4 square root of 2 over 2. This to consider this 2. There are two values of x because plus or minus, so we can write here the first value of x1 is equal to 6 plus 4 square root of 2, and second value x2 is equal to 6 minus 4 square root of 2. Now sec questions have given square root of 2 plus square root of x is equal to 2. Square root of 2 plus square root of x is equal to 2, or here x is equal to 6 plus 4 square root of 2, so we can write here square root of 2 plus square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is it equal to 2, or square root of 2 plus square root of 6 can be written as 4 plus 2 plus 4 square root of 2 is it equal to 2, or square root of 2 plus square root of 4 can be written as 2 square plus 2 can be written as square root of 2 square plus 4 can be written as 2 times 2 square root of 2 is it equal to 2, or square root of 2 plus, here we can write 2 plus square root of 2 whole square is it equal to 2. Now this square consider this square root, so we will get square root of 2 plus 2 plus square root of 2 is it equal to 2, but this is not equal to, so this is rejected. Now x is equal to 6 minus 4 square root of 2, so we can write here square root of 2 plus square root of 6 minus 4 square root of 2 it is equal to 2, or this is similar to, so here we can write square root of 2 plus square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 square is it equal to 2. Now this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get square root of 2 plus 2 minus square root of 2 is it equal to 2. Now this cancel out this, so we can get 2 is equal to 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our final answer is 6 minus 4 square root of 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.